Hi, this is Jodi. Today I am going to show you how to make this adorable card using the limited time Snow is Glistening stamp set from Stampin' Up. This stamp set, along with the coordinating thinlits, and actually there's another stamp set in this product suite. These things are only available November 2018. So if this appeals to you, make sure that you get it right away so that it doesn't sell out. I also have another video that shows my free card kit in the mail for this month, and it's featuring this stamp set. So search my YouTube channel. It's the video right before this one, but there's lots of card ideas that I shared in that one as well that you can get the supplies for free. So let's go ahead and get started with this, and I'm going to show you step by step what I did. I'm starting with Blushing Bride for my card base, and I'm going to do some tone-on-tone stamping with Blushing Bride ink. You can see the snowflake from this set, and I'm just going to do a few of these randomly on the background. Okay, so it's just a little bit to give the background some detail. Then I'm going to use the greeting that says, "Merry Christmas to you and peace on earth to all the world." And I'm using soft suede ink. I should point out, this is our previous ink pad style, and I just haven't replaced all of mine yet. If you were to order an ink pad from Stampin' Up! Today, this is the style that you would get. So it just opens up and flips around. So this greeting, I am going to stamp on this stitched oval. You can see the stitched line there. And this is on shimmery white cardstock, so it's got a nice sparkle to it. So I will just center that on the oval. If I hold it up here, I think you should be able to see that shimmer. It always depends how the light is. There's a really pretty sparkle on that. And then I'm going to go ahead with some snail adhesive and just put adhesive on the back of this and attach it. This is a scalloped oval and it's cut out of vellum. So sometimes it's nice just to use a layer of vellum to give another layer texture without having it be something that takes away from what you want your focal point to be. So the next thing I'm going to do is add some of this gorgeous ribbon. It's Blushing Bride with a little bit of copper in there. And so I'm just going to estimate, let me cut that end a little bit, and we'll just go like that. So what I want is for it to come off the side here. So I'm going to just put some adhesive right on the back. And then when I fold this in half, I maybe did it a little longer than I need. I'm just going to press it in to that adhesive on the back there. So that'll help it stick right where I need it to be. So the next thing I want to do is take these two snowflakes, and I cut these out using the Snowfall Thinlits. And if I just estimate, if I want that in the middle, I kind of want this in this area, I'm going to put some adhesive right here, and I'm going to press this snowflake down into that adhesive. And then because of all the holes and detail there, there's still some adhesive exposed, so that when I set this one down, it's going to stick without reapplying any adhesive. Now I just want to add some Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of this piece. So I'll just put some on the back, peel off the backing. One little tip I've shared before, but oops, and I took that right off. Got my fingernail under there just right. I've shared this before. You can either, go on the side. If you're having a hard time grabbing them, if you put your nail right there, do you see how that side just pops right up? So you run your fingernail right through the middle, and then it just kind of gives you something to pull out and grab onto. So I can stick this down here. I'm going to trim my ribbon just a little bit. I did it a little too long. There we go. And then the last detail on this card are the sequins. I'll hold these up so you can see, and oh my goodness, the way they shimmer. There's gold, there's silver, copper, black, iridescent. This is the metallics sequin assortment. So there are a lot of sequins to choose from here. And I'm going to grab my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to twist just a little bit to get some of that blue to come out of the end. And what that allows me to do is just go here and easily pick up one of these sequins. Now it does not have adhesive on the end, it's just kind of sticky. So I am using my fine tip glue pen and I'm just going to put 3 dots of glue. So I'm gonna do here, here, and one down here. And so then I'll just take this with the sequin on it and put it right in. Grab another one that's copper. Oops. I want it to turn over. Set that one there. Oops, now it's sticking to my finger. And then one more, I think that's copper. It's hard to see in the light that I'm using. There. So I'll pull this one back up so you can see it while that glue is drying. But it's a really quick and creative card. The elements on here add so much detail, and this would be really easy to mass produce for your Christmas card this year. If you would like to order, just go right to my website, stampwithjodi.com. And as always, if you would like a catalog, just let me know and I'm happy to send that to you. Thanks so much for watching.